Hey, I'm Mike. I'm the principal game designer at Playground Games. In my role, I lead the design team within Playground, and I'm responsible for controlling the vision and the large stroke design decisions that will make up the games that we create, such as Forza Horizon 4 and the LEGO Speed Champions expansion. When I'm making games, the thing that really inspires me is watching other people play games. I especially watching my family or young children. When they're playing games, you see a real innocence, a real almost a creative spark in the way that they interact with games when they're seeing things like that for the first time. And I find that really inspiring and really interesting just to see how they consume those experiences that us as older people have seen maybe 100 times already. But when you look at young people and kids, you can see that real magic and that spark that video games can bring to people. As a word of advice, if you're looking to get in the games industry, then you need to have the absolute highest bar of quality. Everything that you need to do needs to be pushing yourself to be the very, very best. Never ever settle, always push harder, push better. Everything that you do, is this the very best that you could have done? Because that's what other people will be doing. And if you don't do better than them, then they'll be taking your job.